Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Outlook mailbox items using Exchange Online eDiscovery, detailed guide step by step clearly. To restore Outlook mailbox items using Exchange Online eDiscovery, begin by logging into the Microsoft 365 Admin Center. Navigate to the Compliance section found in the left-hand menu. Select eDiscovery from the available options. Click on Core to access your core eDiscovery cases. To create a new eDiscovery case, click on the Create Case button. Provide a name and description for your case, making it easily identifiable. Once you have entered the details, click Next to proceed. In the Case Details page, add any necessary members who will assist in the investigation. Click Save to finalize the case setup. Now, open your newly created eDiscovery case by clicking on its name. In the case window, you'll find the option to create a search. Click on Search to initiate the search for specific mailbox items. Provide search criteria, such as keywords, dates, and specific users whose mailbox item. After configuring the search settings, click Search to execute the query. Once the search is complete, review the search results to ensure that the relevant items are listed. From the search results, select the items you want to restore. To export the selected items, click on the Export Results option. Choose your preferred export format, either as a PST file or through Microsoft 365 Compliance Center. Click Export to start the export process. Once the export is finished, download the exported file to your local machine. Open Outlook and navigate to the File menu, then select Open and Export. Choose Import Export to initiate the import process. Select Import from another program or file and click Next. Choose Outlook Data File, .pst, and click Next. Browse for the exported PST file you downloaded and select how you want duplicates to be handled. Click Next to proceed and select which folder to import items into. Review your choices and click Finish to import the mailbox items. Wait for the import process to complete, and once done, verify that the restored items appear in the intended Outlook folder. You have now successfully restored Outlook mailbox items using Exchange Online eDiscovery. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.